Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Let us quickly solve this math Olympiad problem. Okay, math is the easiest subject. So if you look at this question is very simple. So what do? We simply apply the laws of indices. Okay, and laws of indices say that if you can remember that the square root of a simply means a raised to power 1 over 2. Okay, the cube root of a simply means a raised to power 1 over 3. So the nth root of a simply means what? A raised to power 1 over n. Okay, if you know this now, it simply means that, let me leave this one the way it is. Okay, this is 9 raised to power root x is equal to, now I can write this to be 27 raised to power 1 over x, because this is the same thing as this. All right, so now let's break this down. 9, if you look at 9, 3 divide 3, 3 divide 1. I'm dividing with 3 and they are 2 in number, so 3 squared will give us 9. But don't forget, I still have raised to power root x here, right? So is equal to, breaking 27 down, 27. So I am dividing with 3 and they are 3 in number, but you should not forget that you still have raised to power 1 over x here. Okay, now you should know, according to law of indices, that a raised to power m or raised to power n is the same thing as saying a raised to power m times n. Okay, if you know this law, let us apply it here. So this is the same as saying 3 raised to power 2 times this. I have what? 2 root x. Okay, 2 root x is equal to what? 3 raised to power, this time this will give you 3 over x. Now, according to the law of indices again, we have a raised to power m is equal to a raised to power n. The base are the same thing, so they can cancel out. If they cancel out, you will now have that m is equal to n. So let us do the same thing here. If the base cancel out, I'm going to have that 2 root x is equal to what? 3 over x. Okay, now if we cross multiply, I'm going to have, if I cross multiply, I'm going to have that what? That x times x times 2 root x is equal to what? 3 times 1, if I cross multiply. Okay, so I'm going to be having, if you look at this now, I'm going to be having, this time this will give us 2x root x is equal to 3 times 1 is 3. All right, now let's divide everybody by 2. So because I want all the x to be at one side, so if I divide everybody by 2, I'm going to have x root x is equal to what? 3 over 2. If I divide everybody by 2. Now you should know, according to sword, that if I have 2 root 3 and I want the 3 to go, these 2 to go inside this root, is going to be the square root of the 3 that is already here. 2 going inside, you now have 2 times itself again. So for something that is outside to go inside, it has to multiply itself. Okay, so to apply this law of sword, I'm going to have that this one going inside, I'm going to have that this will now be the square root of x times x times x. Okay, are you seeing that now? So is equal to what? 3 over 2. So if you multiply everybody here, I'm going to have that 3. So this is now the square root of x cubed, okay, is equal to what? 3 over 2. Okay, that is, if you don't want to do it this way, there's another way we can do it. Then the other way we can do it is by saying okay, the other way we can do it is by saying, let us just square both sides. We can decide to just square both sides. If we square both sides, I'm going to have x, the square root of x, all squared, is equal to 3 over 2, all squared. Okay, that doesn't mean that the other method will not work. It will work, but let's use this. So this square will give us x squared is being multiplied by x. Okay, is equal to what? 9 over 4. Okay, so I'm going to have that what? S cubed is equal to what? 9 over 4. So this one moving here, I'm going to have 4x cubed is equal to what? 9. So I'm going to have that what? That in fact, or we can just take this here to have that our s cubed, our x would now be the square root of 9 over 4. Okay, the cube root, sorry, of 9 over 4. So that is that for that. Okay, bye bye.